So guys, for the first step, once you're on Google Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and now you want to click on settings. And now once you're on this, you want to search for preload. You should now be seeing preload pages. Make sure that you have this turned on, and now you want to select extended preloading. That's the first step. For the second step, we're now going to search for acceleration. You should now be seeing use graphics acceleration when available. Make sure that you have this one turned on. For the next step, in the bottom left, you want to click on About Chrome. It's now going to start checking for Chrome updates. Make sure that your Chrome is fully up to date. If you have an update available, it's going to tell you, and you can install the Google Chrome update right here. For the next step, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and now you want to click on Extensions. Now you want to click on Manage Extensions. If you have any extensions here that you don't use or you don't recognize, you could just remove them. For the next step, you want to search for Chrome://flags and then click on enter. And now once this comes up, you want to type in QUIC. You should now be seeing Experimental QUIC Protocol. You want to enable this. And then click on relaunch. For the last step, you want to click on the three dots in the top right. And now you want to click on settings. On the left hand side, you want to click on reset settings. Now you want to click on restore settings to original defaults. You can untick this if you want to, and then click on reset settings. Just so you know, this will disable your extensions, so you could always enable them again. So you're going to click on reset settings, and this will now make your Google Chrome run faster.